Welcome to the deep dive. Today our mission is digging into something pretty interesting, Nitrograph. We're aiming to go, way beyond just a simple checklist here. It looks like a potentially high-reward airdrop opportunity.
Yeah, definitely worth a look. And the tech behind it is actually quite compelling, I think. Nitrograph isn't like just another layer 2. It's specifically a blockchain focused on the execution layer for AI agents.
Execution layer. Okay, what does that mean practically?
Well, it basically tackles a big bottleneck.
Yeah.
Current smart contracts, they're not really built for the kind of speed and complexity AI operations need. Nitrograph wants to make those AI interactions on-chain smarter and way faster, giving them an optimized place to run.
Gotcha. And it's not just theory, right? I saw the testnet went live back on September 29th. Plus, it's got Google support and, like 35,000 followers already? That sounds, pretty significant.
It does suggest some real potential there, absolutely. It feels more strategic than just, a hopeful gamble.
But does that participation setup point to a solid product? Or is it maybe just clever marketing?
I think it signals strategic intent. For you listening, the goal is pretty clear. Get yourself high up that leaderboard to earn rewards. The whole structure seems designed to reward actions that actually help build their ecosystem and show the network's useful.
Okay, let's break down how you actually earn those rewards. Our sources point to, 4 main ways?
That's right, 4 main routes.
So there's some simpler ones, like just holding certain NFT partner collections and referring other people. Standard stuff.
Yeah, those are fairly straightforward.
But then there are the 2 bigger ones. First, getting involved in specific social and staking challenges. And second, what seems like the real heavy hitter, creating viral AI content using their partnered models.
Exactly. And that last one is key. It's not just about getting clicks, it's about creating content. It suggests Nitrograph is really trying to push unique uses and data interaction. They're rewarding quality and reach, If you can figure out what makes content viral in their eyes, that's probably where the serious multipliers are.
Okay, makes sense. So let's walk through the actual steps then, the how-to. First, we should probably define Nitro. That's the thing you're collecting, right?
Yeah, think of Nitro as their internal points or resource. It's what you accumulate.
Right, so initial setup.
Connect your wallet. MetaMask is usually the recommended one. Seems easiest for most. Then you need to go into the mission section and grab your unique name. Secure that first.
Okay, wallet connected, name secured. Then
it's all about consistency. You've got to claim that daily Nitro. It resets every 24 hours. And don't ignore the streak bonus. If you claim 3 days running, you get a 5% boost on your Nitro claim. Worth doing.
Okay, daily Nitro claim. Plus, I think there's a daily XP claim, too.
Yes, claim the daily XP as well, just part of the routine.
Then you get into the social stuff. Connecting accounts.
Right, the core tasks to build your reputation on the network. You'll need to connect Telegram, generate your referral code, that's important for bringing others in, and then connect Discord and X, which used to be Twitter.
Okay, the Discord part sounds like it has a few steps.
It does. You have to actually join their server, go through whatever verification process they have set up, and then crucially, you need to be a little bit active, like maybe chat a bit. Just don't spam, obviously. This is usually needed to get something they call ROS.
ROS, what's that stand for? Reputation?
Reputation or operational status, something like that. It basically proves you're a real engaged user, not just a bot farming rewards. It's a gatekeeper.
Ah, okay. So interact a bit on Discord to get ROS and X.
Similar idea. Connect your account. Then there will likely be specific tasks, things like liking a certain post, reposting something, maybe following the main Nitrograph account and the founder's account. Sometimes the verification might not work immediately, might need to try again later if there's an API issue, just standard stuff.
Got it. There was one other thing. Minting an agent SBT.
Right, in the studio section. You should mint your free agent SBT. Even if nothing much shows up there right now, it seems like a required step for later agent stuff.
Okay. So, putting it all together, the winning strategy isn't just clicking random buttons. It sounds like it's about that consistent daily grind, getting the Nitro, keeping the streak going, and then focusing on the things that give bigger rewards, like the referrals, and especially trying to create that engaging AI content.
Exactly. Consistency plus strategic effort on the high leverage activities.
Makes sense.
Then, stepping back a bit, considering Nitrograph is so focused on this execution layer for AI, it does make you think, if a project like this actually takes off, if it gets critical mass, what does that mean for decentralized AI overall? Imagine radically lowering the friction for AI services running on-chain. It could completely change how AI is owned, governed, accessed. everything. That's kind of the bigger picture behind chasing these rewards, I think. Something to mull over.